In the field of global public health, BIOBASE has always shouldered responsibility and mission. Recently, BIOBASE won the Zimbabwe Ministry of Health project. Today, 10,000 boxes of clinical chemistry reagents will be shipped to Africa. We have completed full quality inspection and packaging, ensuring every box of clinical chemistry reagents is safe and reliable. These products will provide strong support for Zimbabwean medical testing and disease prevention. From China to the world, BIOBASE continues to contribute to global healthcare. We look forward to establishing cooperation with you.